Hello my friends, I'm TheJoshuaHaynes, and today I come before you this week broken. For far too long we have witnessed gross injustices in the black community. Whether it's systematic racism, police brutality, excessive exposure to environmental hazards, abuse of trust by medical professions, or just unjust judicial system, we have fought back. There are a lot of new faces awakening to these new injustices, and we welcome you and thank you for being an ally. This week, instead of using my platform to talk about tech, I chose to highlight organizations and charities you can use to educate yourselves and support to further the movement that Black lives do matter. The first organization I want to highlight is the Innocence Project Fund. Founded in 1992, the Innocence Project's mission is to free the staggering numbers of innocent people who remain incarcerated and to bring reform to the system responsible for their unjust imprisonment. On their site, you can access information such as prior cases, ways to get involved, and options to find a local group or network. With your support and contribution, this will continue the fight for criminal justice reform and exonerate wrongfully convicted individuals. Every action makes a difference. The second organization I'd like to highlight is called the Bail Project Incorporated. The Bail Project Incorporated is a nonprofit organization designed to combat mass incarceration by disrupting the male bail system, one person at a time. Paying bail for someone in need is an act of resistance against a system that criminalizes race and poverty and an act of solidarity with local communities and movements for decarceration. Your donations will help post bail for people who can't afford it, thus reuniting families and restoring the presumption of innocence one person at a time. The third and final organization I want to highlight is the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, or NAACP. Throughout our history, the NAACP is always at the forefront of the movement to build political power and ensure the well-being of communities of color. The vision of the NAACP is to ensure a society in which all individuals have equal rights without discrimination based on race. Your donation to the NAACP will help further their mission to ensure the political, educational, social, and economic equality of rights of all persons and to eliminate racial hatred and racial discrimination. Although donations are more than welcome, money alone won't solve these issues. But standing for what is right, being a voice for the unheard, and sacrificing your comfort for a greater cause will push this movement forward, not just for now, but for generations to come. I know these conversations are not easy, but we must have them. For if we live in the dark, the light can never shine through. I hope this video inspires you to have these difficult conversations and continue to be a voice of change, not of silence. Thank you. And remember, Black Lives Matter.